Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. From fall to winter, there's a vegetable that we enjoy a lot at home, and it is Brussels sprout. Right after a frost, they become sweeter and ready to eat. They can be purchased loose or on a stalk. I prefer buying a stalk because I know they are fresh and I end up getting more for my money. Here's how to handle one. So my friends, let's get cooking.
So here's a Brussels sprout stalk. This is the top and this is the bottom. As you can see, they can get pretty big and quite loaded. To remove the sprouts from the stalk, we'll either use a knife and slice right at the base, trying not to damage the leaves, or simply twist the sprout and it should come off easily. When this is done, we'll remove any damaged and discolored leaves and just discard them. Using a paring knife, we'll also trim the stem and we're ready to go. Next, we'll clean them. So we'll transfer the sprouts to a large bowl and add some lukewarm water, not cold, okay? Now we'll add about a quarter cup of white vinegar, or you can always use sea salt. This will help to get rid of insects, dirt, etc. And we'll let them sit for half an hour, stirring them once in a while. When time is up, we'll transfer them into a colander and rinse them thoroughly. Then we'll separate them by size, large, medium, and small, because when we're blanching them, the cooking time will vary from one size to another. The large one will take 5 minutes, while the small sprouts will blanch for only 3 minutes. Here, I'm blanching the medium ones for 4 minutes. As you can see, I'm using a steaming basket because it will be easier to remove them quickly when time is up. You really don't want to over-blanch them. Otherwise, they will get mushy. Is it necessary to blanch the sprouts? I say yes, because it stops the enzymes, and if you are going to freeze them, blanching is an important step to do. If you want to find out more about it, check out the blog. When time is up, we'll quickly remove the sprouts and drop them in an ice bath. We'll leave them there until they cool down a bit. Finally, we'll scoop them out using a slaughter spoon and transfer them on a baking sheet. Either you transfer them to the freezer or the fridge, depending on if you are using them now or later.
As you saw in this video, it is so easy to remove them from their stalk and proceed with your recipe. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!